It will make your eyes tantalizing and shine bright like a diamond. It says
Is there diamond inside here somewhere? Why is 200 euros for this?
it's an anti-aging.
Are you serious? It's really 200 euros?
What do you think?
Oh, it's from Paris. And Paris is expensive.
Yeah. You know, every girl's dream of this, like this, an eyeliner like this. And I have one. That's why I really make a review on it.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello guys, good evening. So, matutulog na sana ako guys. Tapos kanina nagpatimpla ako ng kape ni Frank. Na-alert ko kalito. Tapos sa pag-isip-isip ko, nakita ko na to na prank sa si Frank nasa sala. Tapos nakita ko na to na prank. Matagal na. Tapos ipaprank ko siya na itong hawak ko na eyeliner. It worth. Lagyan lang natin 200 euros kasi hindi naman yung maniwala pag minahal ko pa. So, itetest ko. Since ang try pa nasa living room, i-invite ko siya na tumabi muna dito sa akin. Tapos siya yung ipapa-decide ko kung maganda o hindi itong eyeliner. Kunwari, itetest ko to siya. Tapos i-mention ko yung presyo. Let's see kung anong reaction niya. I'm not about to sleep. I just came here. I told you I asked coffee.
Yeah, you got coffee now and now you want sleep?
Yeah, I'm alert now. So only 5 minutes.
Baby, can you not wait? I think it's over soon.
It's over soon.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. Since you like you know, putting that eye, then since I just had this, there's an order.
What do you know? You
This
had
is
that
new.
before?
No, that's new.
Where did you get that from?
Order online. Then it's since you like to have a ka-judge eye, you know.
Can you not do that with the other one?
It's almost finished, the other one. So I ordered one. So I'm gonna try it and let's see your reaction. If it's nice or not, you say it to me. I have to do it at night because in the morning kids are there. It'll be quick. You don't like this t-shirt? About to sleep anyway. Do I look? It's fine, this t-shirt. You wanna? No, you have to be here. You should be here in my background. Yeah.
When you do it?
Yeah, while I do it.
But I should not look.
Yeah, you should not look. No, you don't need to. You can look while I'm doing it because you're gonna listen to me. Saan naman akong buhok eh. Sabi ni Frank, pag nag-review daw ako ng makeup, magbihis daw ako dahil nakapantulog daw ako guys. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, no, that's okay. Hindi naman yan mabantayan. So, nagawa lang siya ng coffee guys. Is my mirror here?
I'm gonna charge that now.
Okay. Where are you gonna charge it?
My own.
Okay. Si Frank kasi guys, gustong-gusto niya yung palagay-lagay ng itim dito ba? Yung parang yung paano dito ba? Palagay-lagay ng para ganun ito. Tapos, lagi niya akong sinasabihan ng ganyan. So, nakapag-excuse tayo na wala na akong ganito. Kaya kailangan kong umorder online. Pasensya na kung hinihinaan kong boses ko kasi natutulog ng mga bata. Naantay ko na lang siya. Tagal na makabalik ng buing. You should be on this side.
You done?
No, not yet.
Ah.
You have to be on this side.
Are you recording already? Then you tell us?
No, it's okay. I'm gonna cut that. Just sit down there. Is that your tea still?
What?
Is that still your tea?
No, it's coffee.
Okay. So sit down on this side. Yeah, you can cover. Don't cover yourself. You should be in the camera too. Yeah, like you don't need to show your sexy lips. Just be surprised, okay? But before I need to explain the product, okay?
You didn't explain it?
No, I didn't. I have to wait for you.
Okay.
So, hello guys, good evening. I have to speak English, guys, kasi we have Frank here and he's part of our vlog today. Tonight ay gabi na dito, guys. Natutulog na yung mga kids.
Okay, it's good.
Huh?
Can I have my mobile? So I'm going to be on my mobile for the time being.
You can do your mobile for the time. Okay. Since you are busy.
Look at that. So nervous.
Yeah.
Who's that?
I don't know who's writing you.
I'm
You should not read. You should not read it now. So, for guys, before I start trying the eyeliner, I will explain to you guys. Ang hirap naman mag-English. Eh? I will explain to you guys where did I get this product, and lilink ko sa description box yung site kung saan ko to siya kinuha, where I get this product. So it says here, it actually says in the where I ordered it, because I ordered it in Amazon. It's been a while in my shelf, but I didn't use it yet. It's new actually. It's never open yet. So it says in the description dun sa info sa Amazon, it will make your eyes shine like a diamond.
What? What? Diamonds?
It will make your eyes shine like a diamond.
What? Your eyes?
And it's like tantalizing look and so on. So this was 50% in Amazon, and it says here waterproof eyeliner. color color expert. Then it's from ano, guys, ayan, hindi niya alam to kung atong mga brand na to. It says here nasa naman yun, deep black. So gagawin natin yung kayaj, baby, no? Kayaj. Kayal, yung the one you like ba? You're listening?
Yeah. What?
Kayal ba? Kayal, the one that you like. Kayal.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, he likes that. So it was on sale 50%. Ang original price niya is 400 euros. And then I got this only for 200 euros. Are you listening?
Am I?
Are you listening?
Why was I supposed to listen now?
No, I'm just wondering. When I put this now, you cannot concentrate.
Sure. But I thought I have to do something so you can do your eyes.
You don't.
If I'm gonna look at that, you're gonna make a mistake, and then you're gonna go.
Right, so let's see if
she's gonna make her eye bags.
Let's
like
see.
More.
Let's see if it's worth it, guys. So it's 200 euros, baby.
What?
No, because it's
200 pesos.
Euros. It's from 400 and it's 50%. I didn't tell you last month because I know that you're gonna be angry.
What?
I know that you're gonna be angry.
That here? You know, if you get a screw for a tail rotor, like, to a bolt or something like that, then I would understand that it's metal, but this is plastic.
No, there's a brush there.
There's a brush there, yeah.
Yeah, then it says that it will...
Toothbrush.
No.
And for 2 euros.
No, it says to make your eyes tantalizing.
You know what? I get an adding 5,000. That will do the same job.
No, it will make your eyes tantalizing and shine bright like a diamond. It says in
The diamond inside here somewhere. Why is 200 euros for this?
It's an anti-aging.
Are you serious? It's really 200 euros?
What do you think? It was last month and I ordered it on Amazon since I was thinking I should not waste it.
Waterproof eyeliner.
Yeah, that's why it's 200
It's not going to come off again.
No, it will come off.
It won't come off.
It will come off.
Yeah, maybe next year.
It was on sale actually, 50%.
Oh, it's from Paris, and Paris is expensive.
Yeah. Can you read? What's the name? It's Max Factor. Oh.
Max Factor with a big X behind
Yeah.
it. Would you
It's,
believe it?
yeah, it's 50%.
It's only 9 milliliters.
That's why I should not waste that. That's why I let the other one finish before I make a review on that. And I'm gonna waste that now.
I still don't believe it's 200.
Yeah, but this was from 400 euros. Did you know that some other makeups is 600, something like that? Lipstick on this brand.
You better do it well. don't waste it.
But it's okay, nah?
It's okay. What do you mean? It's okay.
But I think I didn't tell you because I know that you're gonna be angry.
I go to Bonn tomorrow. It's only 30 euros. She doesn't want to let me go, so I let her be with 200 euros, and I can go to Bonn tomorrow. That's good.
Actually, baby, will only be sale every 6 months. So maybe after 6 months, should be get another one of this. It's from 400 euros. They will most of the girls.
You know why it's on sale from 400 to 200? Because nobody's buying it for 400, and I'm sure not so many buy it for 200 either.
Makeup vloggers is using this, you know.
Seriously?
You ask Catherine, ask my sister, since she knows this, and
Jesus Christ, good job I'm laying.
Why?
200 euros, You know those boxes there. Can you see them? Those boxes. They cost also 200 euros to send to the Philippines. And that thing there.
So what about it's a makeup?
Okay.
It's okay. You want your wife beautiful, right? You want those.
I want to be in Bonn.
You want to be in Bonn? You don't want me to be beautiful? You said you want
I do want you to be beautiful, of course.
Yeah.
But I've seen that works also with a cheaper pen.
Yeah, but it's
typical guy.
Yeah, but they say that it will make your eyes shine like a diamond and tantalizing eyes.
What's that tantalizing?
Like it's
like blinking or something?
It's
like black?
No, it's like you're gonna be eye catcher. It's gonna be your eye catcher.
You better make it well then.
Why are you gonna kill me if you
I'm gonna write with this pen. Not worth it. 200 euros. The pen, not Jene. The pen is not 200. It's not 200 euros worth it.
Yeah, it is.
So concentrate.
So I need to concentrate.
I won't look.
You won't look.
I'm gonna read my messages.
In 6 months, you're gonna order another one of these.
Let's see about it. Like, you know.
It's okay. Because baby, it's only twice a year we make a sale.
My milk gets sour on this coffee here.
You know, every girl's dream of this, like this, an eyeliner like this. And I have one. That's why I really make a review on it.
Okay.
Yeah, same with your thing there, but boys don't understand that.
But it's my thing.
Yeah, that's why.
Your girls don't understand either.
No. Yeah.
Our
That's
issues
why,
are things.
That's why I'm gonna use this only once now, and then I'm gonna keep it for a while so it will.
It will get run dry.
So okay.
Then you gotta use it.
Why 200 euros? Then you're gonna waste it?
You're gonna use it when I say that you're gonna use it.
Okay, I'm gonna use it. There's also.
What else is there?
No, it's just it, just like that. So you're gonna buy me a new one of this?
If you do it well.
If I do it well, okay. 200 euros. Do I really need to waste this? My God, this is 200 euros. Hey, look at this, baby. Look, baby. That's it here.
I know.
Yeah, it's like that. Then you're gonna do it like that. But it's too small here. I need a bigger mirror. Maybe I do it tomorrow. Okay.
What's that now? Why did I came? I thought I was gonna see this.
Yeah, you're gonna see this.
You know, you should be doing that on the right there. That's what it's for.
Yeah, I really like Rabak. Yeah. He really likes when I do like that in the ice bar. Yeah.
But not at.
Not 200 euros.
Not at.
What?
2300.
Yeah, it's already 11
it's
p.m.
almost
guys.
midnight.
Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, yeah.
Okay, then go do it.
Yeah, I got 200 euros, Rabani.
There?
I can use a mirror. I have a mirror here. I should not waste this one, eh?
Should not buy this one.
Why? Nilamos na ba ko, guys? Is there the tantalizing in it?
There is, yeah.
There is.
The battery is empty.
There is there is tantalizing.
I don't know. Just keep doing that.
So, baby.
What's that now?
I'm just trying to tell you.
Watch the coffee.
Also coffee. What about a coffee?
This won't
Do you
spill.
like this? Like that?
You're not done yet.
It's shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah, you're not done yet.
Yeah, but is this already shining, shimmering there?
Yeah, I can see the black.
Yeah, but
It's like
they said there
black.
is a shining, shimmering there. Is there any?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on, can you finish? And then let me see what it looks like.
Okay. So only the other eye, baby, huh? So we can see the difference.
Both eyes.
No, only
Of
only this eye.
It's waterproof. You're gonna walk around like this for the next couple of days.
Maybe there's a gold in it because it's 200.
Must be black gold.
Yeah.
Used to be in the old days coal, no?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now look at that. Makeup is so expensive now.
Make it wider.
Wider? That's enough. If we're only
No.
testing.
No, I want
Baby,
to.
I don't want.
I like it.
I don't
Should
want.
I do it?
I don't want to waste a 200
I'm gonna do
euros. No, it's okay.
I need other glasses. I need to
So,
get glasses.
what do you think, guys? 200 euros. 200 euros, baby.
Maybe it's not
You
done.
can see the difference, the other eyes.
It's not done.
But we look if there is a shining, shimmering there.
You are always my shine, shimmering.
So, baby, this in 6 months, huh? There's another sale
No,
of this.
not
Why?
when you don't do it right. It's not right.
It says, is that right?
It's not right.
Yeah, I do it right next time.
No, you do it now. I want to see it right now.
You're gonna waste the 200 euros, dear.
Baby, actually, you got a lump there too.
You get a lump. It's okay, not good, na? What the heck is 200 euros, eh?
We should make it like, before we go out.
Yeah, we do it.
Like,
before we go
like
out.
when we go on Tuesday to the
Yeah.
to the apartment. When we do the toilet and doing the rest of the wallpaper down. You're gonna look like that then.
Okay.
And then we go for lunch then.
Okay,
Again.
yeah. Even though we look like so shit after the cleaning, it's okay. But what can you say about the 200 of the 200 euros?
Baby, it's not done right.
So it's
Like
not
that,
worth
you
it?
do it crooked. No, you do it like that with another pen as well.
But it's maybe if I do it right, it's worth it, the 200 euros.
If you do it right.
Yeah. So it's fine. You're gonna buy this time to time for me.
I want to see it right, done.
Yeah. There's
So
also
can you just do it like?
not now, eh?
Why not?
There's also lipstick there, 600, and it's a 50% 300.
600. 50%. 500%.
You're gonna buy that the same brand from Paris, baby.
No.
Why? Why not? This guy be happy on that. What?
Two super pumas flying out of Bonn
Okay.
just now.
Okay.
That's helicopters.
Okay.
Two of them transport helicopters flying out now. I think this is much more worth looking at instead of looking at this.
Baby, I have to tell
Baby,
you.
I really like it, but you have to do it right. And if you want me to see it and give an opinion, it needs to be right. I'm a perfectionist. I
Then-
don't like it halfway done. And
Okay.
it just did even less than half. So finish your eye and let me know. Let me see. Do it now.
Then it's gonna be worth it for 200 euros.
Do it now.
Okay, I do it now.
Not doing it again. You do it better now.
You do it better now because it
You
says
do it right.
they said there's a shining, shimmering on this and shine like a diamond, and it's not like that. How about that? It's not worth it. 200, maybe. Is that worth it? 200 now, or it's
Look at
just
me. Look at me.
or it's just the same?
Yeah, that's like I like that.
Yeah? You like it like that?
Yeah. Now look in the camera. Everybody can see the difference.
Okay.
Go closer. Yeah. See that?
200 euros, guys.
The other way. The other way. That way. That way.
So you're gonna buy this, right? 200 euros, eh?
If you do it like that,
Oh.
I will.
Okay, I will expect that. So how about the lipsticks from 600 and it now became 300? But we have no money this time now. Okay, I think that's all for tonight, guys. Thank you all for watching.
Oh boy, coffee.
Thank you all for watching and have a good night, everybody. And it's a prank.
I know, I thought so. There's no such thing.
You know it's a prank.
Yeah,
How do you know?
because I'm not dumb.
Oh God, I don't think so. You believe that? I don't think so. You believe that? Did you? What the heck? Are you lying with me? You believe it? You believed it? Did you? Be honest. Oh, you're such a kuan. Oh, it's
No, it's impossible that you're going to buy that. It's impossible that you're going to buy that, even if there was, but you wouldn't buy it. I know my wife. It's not because of me. Just because, like, you would have issues with your conscience if you were going to buy that.
But I told you it's 50%.
Yeah, you tell me 50%. Like, if it's like, 60 euros, maybe it costs only 30 then. That's okay.
Even it's 30 euros, you know me, I don't gonna buy makeup like that.
I don't know.
What the heck? So you knew? Since when you started, you knew that I'm just pranking you?
Since you told me.
What, since you told me?
Yeah, since you told me.
Since what? Since I told you the price?
Yeah.
You know exactly what is that? You're just, or you believed it.
Yeah, I'm a good actor, no?
You believed it. You're a
No.
liar. You believed it.
No.
You believed it. What?
Okay, guys, I believed it. So just to finish it off. Call
Oh,
it a day. See ya. And I wouldn't want to be ya.
Yeah, because he knows exactly that I don't buy things so expensive. You're really my husband, eh? You know exactly that I don't buy expensive things.
No, you buy expensive stuff, but that you wouldn't see as worth it. If it was a bag or something like that, then you would really think about it.
But bag,
But it's big, like, but not that small thing there.
Okay.
It's too...
So it's me who got pranked here, or you? Who got pranked here now? I think you believe it earlier because you said, oh, what?
Yeah, because I didn't believe it.
So what is that? You're just trying to go in the flow?
Yeah. Fool you.
What the heck, guys? So, okay, guys.
Backfire.
Yeah. So, okay, guys. Thank you all for watching, guys. And I hope you tantalizing eyes and shine bright like a diamond.
And yet again, another useless video in our life.
Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye and have a
But
good night.
It was a nice try.
Have a good night, everybody. God bless us all. This is your first prank.